How to log in to Deloitte. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Deloitte account. Deloitte is one of the world's largest professional services networks, known for providing a wide range of services across various industries. Now, if you want to access your Deloitte account, for that make sure you have already created Deloitte account. Now, once you have created it, to log into your Deloitte account, first of all, you will need to open any web browser. Once you have opened your browser, at the search bar type deloitte.com/us. Make sure you enter this correct keyword in order to reach to the official website of Deloitte. Now once you enter this keyword, press the enter button to search it. Now you will be taken to the official website of Deloitte. Here, once you reach to this page, at the top right, you will find your profile icon. Click on this profile icon and you will be taken to a new page. Here, once you reach to this page, scroll down and at the bottom, you will find login. Click on this login option right here and now you will find the login interface here. Enter your email address associated with your Deloitte account and in the second box, add your password. Make sure you add the correct password here, otherwise you will not be able to access your account. Once you enter the password, in case if you forgot your password and couldn't log into your account, you may click on this forgot password option right here and recover your password by following the instructions given to you. Also, if you want yourself logged into this account in the future, then you will need to click on this little square ahead of this option. Now after entering all your credentials, click on this login button right here and then you will be able to log into your Deloitte account. So by following these steps, you should be able to successfully log into your Deloitte account for job applications, accessing services or internal resources. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.